So we have a workflow in which, for example, you have a YouTube video or you have a playlist of YouTube videos. And instead of watching them, you just want a quick summary of what the actual video is about. So this workflow makes it easier for you, and you can save the summary in your Google Sheet, or whatever suits you, or in your Google document. So first, what we are using is, first we have made a form. You can use a form. This form is for like a single video. You can also add a Google Sheet in which it has a links of video in the column, and you can just extract the column and add a loop, and one by one it can pull the video and store it in the Google form. So, what it does is that what we do is that we enter our YouTube videos URL. So next is that we are using an Apify API. And what this API does is that it takes a URL and gives us the transcript of that video. Now, you have multiple options. I am mainly using this. So here you can select different kinds of languages, which suits you. Probably we're going to choose English. You can search for other as well, like you will find many YouTube transcript. So so once you have added that, you can add your API key to it. And what we're doing is that we have added a summarization node. And what it does is that it chunks it like characters per chunk. I've made it 1000, and overlap is 200. Like for example, if we have a very long YouTube video, so we are generating it the summary by characters per chunk. And the chunk overlap does is that it bridges between the two chunks, so we know that how the both of the chunks are connected with each other. So what it does is that it directly like makes a summarization automatically, and without requiring any enhancements from your side. So for that, I am using the 5.2 mini. You can choose any model that you like, or if you wanted to make it more interesting, you can add an agent node, and you can add your custom prompt according to use case. And here I just added no operation, do nothing. What you could do is that you can add a Google Sheet, to store the results. You can add a Google Sheet in which you can store the results, or you can also save it in some Google Doc. It all depends on your use case. So this is a very simple way how to make summarization, how to get summary of the videos using their URL and API. Thank you.